Hey there, welcome back to the channel. We are going to make a quick video about how you can automatically write Google Business updates on your Google Business profile so that it can rank higher on Google Maps for whatever keyword it is that you're trying to rank for. So what we're gonna do is use our own profile today as the example and show you how you can create a update on Google like the one you're seeing here using an AI Chrome extension that does all the work for you. So what you wanna do first is head over to merchant.com/ProfilePro. ProfilePro is a free Chrome extension that uses AI to optimize your Google Business profile so that it can rank at the top of Google Maps fast and without needing to know anything about SEO. It can do a lot of stuff, but what we're going to focus on today is just the Google Business profile updates that it can write for you. So once you have the ProfilePro Chrome extension installed, head over to your Google Business page, and you'll have to be logged in as a manager or an owner to access this tool. And you'll know that you're logged in because you'll see all of these options over here on the left side of the screen. So what we're going to do is head down to where it asks to add an update, and we are going to say add update. You'll know that it's installed because you'll see that it says optimize with ProfilePro, and just make sure to click it and then log in with your Google account and then set the information that it asks for based on what matters most to your business. So for example, here, our type of business, we said that we are a marketing agency. Our business focus is Google Business Profile Management Services, and our business location is in Los Angeles, California. So what I'm going to do is close out of here and head down to this area where Google lets you write business updates, and I'm going to say add update, and then you'll see these two new icons appear, these lightning bolts. These are the ProfilePro icons that all you need to do is click, and it's going to do all the work for you using AI. So what I'm going to do is click this lightning bolt to write us a description for this update, and if you want, you can set the topic. So you can say that you want this to be about, the most important service or product that you offer in your business, or you can just say skip, and it's going to write a generic post about what your business offers based on the information that you provided during the onboarding. So I'm going to go ahead and say GMB Management Services, say next. And I know GMB is no longer what it's called, but that's what a lot of people search for it by. So we want to make sure that we're ranking for that keyword also. And you can see here that it is writing a beautiful update for Google that it just took a second to generate using AI. And all that you need to do now is make sure that you're happy with it. You can also change the tone. Maybe you want it to be a little more casual or funny or tense. I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to leave this as is. And then what we're going to do now is if you don't have an image, what you can do is just click this button and it will generate an image using AI for you. So these are not stock images. These are completely custom AI generated images. You can say skip and it'll try to generate one that's based on your business, but we find that it works best when you say exactly what you're looking for. So what I'm going to say here is a photorealistic image of a person standing in front of an ice cream shop pointing at it happily. So I wanted to make this kind of picture to represent somebody finding a business near them that they found on Google Maps. So if you want, you can regenerate the response and try again or change your topic. But what we're going to do is just download this and say add photos. And you can see that with just a couple of clicks, it was able to write you an SEO-optimized business post and then generate an image for you if you don't have an image for yourself. And we find that the image generator works best for retail type businesses or service type businesses. So if you use either one of those, then be sure to check this out. It's a free Chrome extension, but to generate the images, it is $9 a month, but you get a free trial. So try it out. Let us know what you think in the comments and have a great day.